can see I'm projecting the views here. So any number of views you want, you can project, not a problem. So you can create orthographic views and both isometric views. Okay, so this is how you create different views. I'm creating a dimension right now, so go to smart dimensions in annotations and you can pick your dimensions. Okay, so you can see the default option for annotation comes. You can say create the precision, how much precise the dimension is, means in terms of units. So you can see here standard 3 view unit is there, that is nothing but front view, top view and side view. Sometimes maybe bottom view also, depending upon our request. Okay, so you can see here you have model view, 3 standard section aligned, the first point, second point and the third point. Okay, just select the tick mark. So you can see aligned is there. So suppose we want to create an angle at 45 degrees or 20 degrees from one side to the other side, you can use this option. Very important, easy option, very useful option also. So you can see, as you can see here, you can flip the direction of the section views. Okay, so in which side direction you want a section view, can use it. And if you want to change the name of the section also can be done. Okay, dragging that option, so you can see it is giving alternate position. As you can see, drafting dotted line is there. The dotted line indicates the alternate position. The solid line is the first position and the dotted line is the second position. Okay, in this way you can create alternate positions for a body to show the mechanism. Okay, so this is a very handy option if you want use mechanism of model items. Select the model item and select the entire model option. So if you tick mark the whatever the dimensions are given in the 3D modeling, all these dimensions appears directly, no need of giving one by one dimension. Solidworks recognizes the dimension which you have given in 3D model and automatically calls it in the drafting. Okay, now I'm just setting the dimensions. Okay, these there are some rules to be followed for dimensioning. Okay, and for tolerance also it is called as geometric dimensioning and tolerances. Okay, according to that, one of the rules is that the bigger the dimension, the last it should come, means the dimension should be coming in ascending order from the bottom to top. Okay, that is how I am adjusting. Okay, as you can see, whenever I drag the dimension, yellow color light is coming, so it is showing that the dimensions are in a line. Okay, so if you want to set the dimensions in a line, you can use that option. Okay, directly SolidWorks will show that whichever dimensions you are selecting, whether those are aligned to each other or not. Okay, that is a very useful option while creating dimensions very fast. Okay, now see, you can see there, just select on the dimensions, set them at the distance you want. Okay, you need to maintain some gradual distance between those dimensions. Now just selecting the options, set the dimensions, and I'm just getting 2.5 and 20. Okay, just keep it in adjusting it between that dimensions.